I welcome you once again to Maths and Physics class online, where we teach physics and maths in depth for your understanding. If you have been following us on this page or you are with us on our YouTube channel, you will have gotten a lot of knowledge concerning mathematics and the subjects or topics that we have been taking. So let us look at this topic now and see how we can simplify this. If you remember, this is a fraction and this is as well another fraction. This is a fraction and this is another fraction. So let us see, what do we do if you are having two fractions dividing themselves? We have known right from our primary education that this division sign can be changed to multiplication. What now happens to the right hand side of the expression? It will interchange. The denominator will become the numerator and the numerator becomes the denominator because they are fractions dividing themselves. The right hand side will interchange. How do we mean? The expression will now become equal to 7x raised to the power 4 all divided by y raised to the power 2 times, the division is changing to times, it will now be s raised to the power 3 divided by, is minus, look at the minus is here, minus s raised to the power 3 all over 2y raised to the power 3. Remember, the expression we are having is 7s raised to the power 4 divided by y raised to the power 2 all divided by minus 2y raised to the power 3 divided by s raised to the power 3. We have just said that because it is fraction, there are fractions that are dividing each other, change this division sign to multiplication, then the right hand side will interchange it to the reciprocal is going to be the results because we have changed it to multiplication. So let us go. Now we now have this expression. On the denominator we are having 7x raised to the power 4 times minus x raised to the power 3 all over y square y raised to the power 2 times 2y raised to the power 3. That is what we are having now. Now let us go over this. 7s raised to the power 4, look at it here, 7s raised to the power 4 times, I'm introducing brackets for that times, minus s raised to the power 3, minus s raised to the power 3, or brackets, close brackets, then divided by y raised to the power 2, which is this, times 2y raised to the power 3. I'm introducing brackets, 2y raised to the power 3, close brackets. Now, what is the expression going to be like? This is a positive number and this is negative. Negative and positive, if they multiply, it becomes negative. That is minus. We have what? 7. Remember, this is x and this is x. Remember our product law of indices. When you have the same root number, what do? You pick one. What do you do to their power? Product law, you add 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3. Look at it. This is a positive number, 7x raised to the power 4. This is negative. Negative and positive will give us negative. 7 is here, the ordinary number. X are multiplying. So they are indices. So what we do is pick one, then add their powers because it is multiplication. If it is division, that is a different ball game. Then we have the denominator all over 2 ordinary number, bring it out. This is y raised to the power 2 times y raised to the power 3. We are picking one. Because it is products, they are multiplying, we add the power 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3. So that is the expression that we have from this. So our final answer on this would now be what? Minus 7x raised to the power 4 plus 3, 7, all over 2 y raised to the power what? 2 plus 3, 5. So that is the final answer to this expression. Remember, I just said that when a fraction is divided by another fraction, you can actually change the division sign to multiplication. But when you do that, it means that the right hand side of the expression, that is a fraction, will change. The denominator will become the numerator, and the numerator will come to be the denominator. So that is why 2y raised to the power 3 now becomes all over s3, s raised to the power 3 becomes s raised to the power 3 all over 2y raised to the power 3. So they have interchanged their position. Because we change this, the division sign to multiplication. Now we have that. So let us take the numerator. The numerator is 7s raised to the power 4, which is this, times minus s raised to the power 3, which is this. Come to the denominator, y squared, look at it here, y raised to the power 2, times 2y raised to the power 3, that is what we have here. Now, since we have gotten that, look at the ordinary number, we just transfer it down here. But remember, this is negative and this is positive. Positive, negative will become negative. So, after we've gotten 7, we have s raised to the power 4, s raised to the power 3 multiplying. Product law of indices. Just pick one of them. When you pick one of them, add their powers together. That is product law. Then we go to the denominator. The ordinary number is 2. We bring it out. Y they are multiplying. This y raised to the power 2, y raised to the power 3. Because they are multiplying, we just pick one y. Then the power, we add them together, 2 plus 3. Then we have this minus 7. Look at it here. Transfer here. X, this x. 4 plus 3 is 7. S raised to the power 7. All over 2. Y raised to the power 2 plus 3, 5. Y raised to the power 5. So this is the final answer to this expression. So this expression has been solved and we have this final answer. Thank you for watching. Follow this page. Join us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Maths and Physics Online. Comment and like. Please, if you are benefiting from this teaching and from these classes that we are bringing out in video form, please share them with others. Let others also benefit just the way you are benefiting. We are not charging anything, it's free. Share the videos, comment, and continue to follow us. Invite others to the page for them to join us to benefit from these interesting lessons that we are dropping. Thank you. See you in our next class. And then we are going to be starting indica equations, where we are going to be solving equations that are involving indices. Have a nice day.